Hi everyone, it's Ria. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing to you guys this beginners friendly daily natural makeup look using only 6 products which are under rupees 250. Yes, you heard me right, and now let's get started. For daily makeup, or if you are a beginner, you don't want to use any sort of full coverage foundation, we need something which is low to medium in coverage and easy to blend. For that, do use a BB cream. Currently I'm obsessed with this BB cream. This is the Mars BB cream. MRP of this is rupees 249. I'm applying it with my finger and then blend it with a brush. This BB cream is a non-greasy and lightweight formula, so it's really comfortable to wear all day long. And it comes in 4 different shades, so you can choose according to your skin tone. Next, I'm going to fill my eyebrow sparse area using this product. This is the Mars Micro Precision Brow Pencil. MRP of this is rupees 149 only. It comes in 2 shades, black and brown. I'm in the shade brown. Just filling my sparse area and combing with the spoolie side of this pencil. Now in my daily makeup routine, I don't really like to wear kajal or liner these days, but if you like to wear kajal or liners, then you definitely can include them to your daily makeup routine. I'm gonna complete my eye look by using mascara, and this is my current favorite mascara. This is the Mars Fabulash mascara. MRP of this is rupees 199. It is a jet black waterproof smudge proof mascara and it's buildable. If you like natural lashes for daily look, then apply 1 coat, and if you like dramatic lashes like me, then apply 2 to 3 coats. I did a dedicated video about this mascara. You can do check out here. Let's finish the face. Now I do not like to set my base with powder because I have dry skin, but if you are from the oily skin category, then do set your base with powder. For recommendation, I have here the Sugar Pop Compact Powder. I'm in the shade 02 Beige. MRP of this is rupees 249. It does minimize pores, long lasting and gives matte finish. Also, it's a lightweight formula and gives light to medium coverage. Now my face looks quite flat. As you can see, we need something to bring back some warmth and color to our face, and for that we are gonna use bronzer and blush. For blush, I'm going to use this product. This is the Blue Heaven Silken Stain Lip Tint. MRP of this is 250. I'm in the shade Brick Beauty. So I'm applying it to my cheek and blending it with finger. You have to be very quick during this process because it dries very quickly, so you have to be very careful while applying this. I recommend apply small quantity, don't apply too much. After blending, build it up if you want more coverage. This is my current favorite lip tint at the moment, and by the way, I have all the 5 shades here with me, and I have already did a lip swatch video on my channel. You can check that out if you want to try some other variants too. Now time to bring back some warmth to our face. This step is completely optional. You totally can skip this, but I like to do this taking Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder in the shade 330 Toffee. I intentionally bought this shade to bronze my face. I'm applying it to my hollows of cheeks, jawline, forehead and little bit on sides of my nose. It is such a good quality underrated compact. Hope you can see the difference with and without blush and bronzer. My face looking much more structured now. You can replace this step with contour, but I feel like for daily basis, contour is a bit extra, and for this look, we need something natural. For that, I do recommend that use a bronzer to give some warmth and structure to your face, and it is much softer than contour as well. So yeah, do use bronzer. Since I have dry skin, and that's why I'm obsessed with dewy glowy skin, and that's why I'm gonna use a highlighter. Now you can use any highlighter, but I do recommend that use any kind of subtle highlighter. Don't use any glittery or chunky highlighters because those looks very unnatural in daylight. I like to use this thing. This is Inside Makeup Essential Highlighter. MRP of this is ₹105. I'm in the shade 06 Cosmic Power. This is a cream highlighter. The formula is super smooth and very easy to blend. It just melts to the skin and has really tiny little particles. That's why it gives very natural finish to the skin. This highlighter is the perfect for daily natural sort of look. Can you see the glow? I like to use lip tint for my lips. I'm applying the same tint that I did use earlier to my cheek as my blush. All the product links are in the description box below. You can check them out. And yeah, that's it for today's look. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any queries, then please let me know by comment. And that's it. Bye.